Y'all no cap, this YouTube shit may end in summer. It's Las Vegas heat. It's too fucking hot, dog. Fuck around and melt my goddamn car. Oh my. Let me see this shit showing. I don't know if it's gonna show. It's 90. That shit say 91. I know it's like at least a fucking 100. At least 100 out here, yo. Anyway, shit, I'm about to go meet up with the homie real quick. We about to run one real quick. Something slight, nothing major. Bro, when I say it's hot, it's fucking dumb hot out here. Shit. Anyway, shit, I'm about to go meet up with my boy Tony, yo. He got a fucking he got a Mustang 5.0 or GT, I'm not for sure. Shit, I only really seen it. I never actually seen it in person. Like, cause I be busy and that nigga be busy, so we ain't never like actually met up since I had this car. So, and he had a Mustang before the one he got, but now he got another one. So we just about to meet up, chop it up with the nigga, and we probably about to run a race or two or three races real quick. So yeah, I'm on my way to meet him right now. So we gonna see what's up. Okay, boy.
What up, man?
Okay, well,
dirty right now.
It is dirty, bruh. Hey, you got it. What? Oh, hunk it? Hey, after this, I'm about to break off, bruh.
Yeah, we is.
All right, for sure. I'll do the hunk.
Right.
On 3. Hey, on 3.
Was on my grind, it was my time, I ain't think twice. I paid that price and we did this, nigga. Look, reached every goal I actually set. I had to sit back down and rearrange that list, nigga. Look, now I'm out here getting rich.